File uploading in Node.js is easy process. So in this video we will discuss about how we can upload files with Multer and Cloudinary. So that's why in my config folder I have created a file called multer.config.ts, and here I have installed Multer, and I have given some configuration where our file will be uploads in our local directory. So this is, in this case, folder name is uploads, so you can just change it and you can give it any name. And if you want to just change your file name with unique file name, whatever you want, you can use just whatever you want to generate unique just file name. And you can use like file filter, and that what MIME types you need to allow for users, what type of images they are able to upload with your server. So you can give all files like image equals star video star. So image slash star, that means all image types will be allowed for uploads, or all video and audio type will be allowed. In this case we are just using just image slash star, and you can give it like any type, like application PDF. We are now able to access PDF, or remove star, and we can give like PNG. We will just access PNG type of image, or just the PNG JPG, or you can set it multiple time for multiple file types. And if not match, then we have a pass with our callback. This is callback, and this is from file filter, and it just, if we just as a first parameter it is accepting errors, and just it, and the second parameter it will return or not. So we are returning false, and we are just returning errors if we don't match with our criteria or file.mime type. And here Multer, from this Multer we are just set up our storage. So this is our storage, so this is a destination where we upload file, and this is our unique file name. And you don't need, it is not required, it is very simple. I will show you. And you can give just your custom file filter, and your types or limits for every file must be under just 50 MB, less than 50 MB. So if file size or image size will over more than 50 MB, then it will return just error. And if we go to just browser, any browser, and search Multer Express, and on the first link, just this is the express.js.com, and go there, and here you have a just a simple or easy way to use Multer. Just make a just a variable called upload, and you need to require Multer and use Multer, and just set the destination where you will upload. So you can use it with the route level, as a route level middleware, just multer.single to accept the single file. And this avatar, so I will show you. So before that, so upload.single, that means our this middleware, or this with this route, we will just pass a single image, not multiple images. And for on our client, when we will use form data, so uploading images, audios, videos from client, we must use form data, and just normal JSON we can use just application JSON. So in this case we need to use form data in our client, like form data dot append name, email, or we can pass just avatar, and our just exact file we can pass, and our file name on the client must be avatar, but you can change it any name, just whatever you want you can change it. And make sure that what you have just pass here, and on your client you just pass the exact name whatever you passed in here. And also you can use, like, you can pass multiple images, and like upload.array and how many files you need to upload. So in this case we are just accepting just 12 images, and our field name on the client to pass our images, this is photos with form data. So like that, and here you have a lot of configuration how you can just upload image. So before that, so this is our just Multer configuration, and we will see now how it's working. Okay, so we will use just so before that we will just create a controller in our modules directory. In the user module, in the user controller, I have created this two controller called upload file and upload files for multiple file, and we don't need this. Just passing accept just request dot file. Okay, so we just we have just created this two controller called upload file and upload files, and this is type request. It is nothing, it is just type of our request. If you just when we are in, then go to definition, and this is the generic type that just extend everything, and just we are using the dynamic type whatever we want to extract from our body. So this is nothing, you can try it. Okay, so now we will try, and this is our controller. We have just export it as a upload file and upload files, and in our routes, so user routes, so this is our route, and this router from express.router from express and upload file. So we are using route level middleware for upload. So this upload from our Multer, so this upload, so this upload, and it is configuration for Multer, and it is just simple, just your storage where you upload your limit, your file filter, but it is not so it is not required. So that we are gonna just here, and now in our routes, so we will accept our file from client as a file. Our field name must be file from client, so we will test it out. We will check in live, and we are just using the upload file for this route. So upload file, and in our index.route.ts we have this three routes, and this is our main route, and we are using this user set and message, and in our user routes we have this user related route, and our code is just in a module, and it is just highly maintainable than MVC architecture. So now, so we are using this route based middleware. We can use it in a global, as a global middleware in here, and in this case we don't need to pass this middleware with every route, but it is not good or best practices to use as a middleware, global middleware, because global middleware will be checked for every request for your client whenever they will pass any request. So in our Insomnia client, I have just created a upload file. Okay, upload file request, and in here I have set a base URL in my environment variable. So it is easy and simple. It is like that Postman, or you can also use Postman, and everything is similar, but I prefer Insomnia for testing APIs, so you can test it out. And this is our /API user and upload file, and I would like to show you. So this is our main routes. From our main routes, this from this index route, and our prefix of our every routes, it is API / v1. You can just change it to any name, and this is your main routes, and this main routes has just 3 modules of routes, this user chat and message, and in our user route we have just upload file and upload files. So in the /API, so this our base environment is 5000 /API v1 /user /upload file will be, we're just we need to go in here, we need to just change it to post method what you are using in here. So our method should be exact, and after that we can just change it. So by default maybe it is just text or any type or nobody, but you need for passing data from your client. So this is your client, like this is, it can be Next.js. So suppose it is a Next.js client or React client or any client or Vue.js client. So but we need to pass data with multiple form data or just form data. So that's why I'm just select form data and our key. So this key, this field name must be this field name, must be this field name, but you can give it just any name, and you can pass any type of data in our case. So I'm just selecting this Redux image, select, okay, and okay, could not connect to server. Okay, before that our server is not running, div start. Okay, our server is running. Upload file. Oh, we are getting our file response what we are passing in here, and our file path is changed /uploads / our unique file name. So this is our uploaded file in here. So it is just normal, just create a Multer configuration, just pass your Multer configuration, and it is reusable configuration. That's why we are using it on route level, or you can use it on just app.use upload dot array upload dot any. Okay, now any type of data will be accessed in here, so we don't need to pass any in this case we can pass like any field name maybe, but I never tried it. But you can use like array, and you can just then you will get your file name, files. So you can pass like files just a minimum 1, and you can get your files with just request in the multiple files. Just you will able to get the file for this is request from Express and request.files, and if you have just one file or multer.single, then you will get the file from request.file. So this is the basic of Express, request, response and next function for controller, and we are just passing the file with our response. But in this case we will see how to upload file, how to get file and upload to Cloudinary. So that's why we'll use upload file. So this is our upload single file. So if we go there, just go to definition, right click on this function, go to definition. Okay, this is your Cloudinary configuration, and you can use like AWS or anything else that you want. And in this, if you use AWS, then you need to AWS S3, and configuration just similar, and you need to send just something just special for every library. But this is we are using Cloudinary, that's why this configuration. And you need to cloud name, API key and API secret, and I have, and you can just create an account on Cloudinary and go to dashboard, and you will find everything, your cloud name, API key, and API secret. And creating account is simple on Cloudinary, and it will give you it will just gives you a lot of space that you can just practice with Cloudinary easily. So this is our basic cloud configuration, and we'll just export default Cloudinary, and this is our single file that accept request. And if you don't have file, then it is returning an error, and we are using just app error, just a custom error handler, like go to definition. So here you can see this is our error handler. So that's we are passing in here, and it is we are using custom error handler. And this full app I am trying to create a WhatsApp application, and I will just discuss every part of our application step by step. But before that, I am just exploring everything, and after that I will make just a small video for every part, and you will understood everything for how to create a set application like a WhatsApp. So we will create functional WhatsApp and similar to WhatsApp, and we will invest a lot of time for this project, and we will use React Next.js client, and we will use just Socket.io and Prisma Postgres database. You can use any database whatever you want, and Prisma can handle the 6 type of database with same functionality. So this is the benefits of Prisma with type safety. So by the way, so this is our Cloudinary configuration, and without just using Cloudinary upload, so this is how you can upload without doing it manually in every function where we need just like we can use Cloudinary dot have uploader. So this Cloudinary is imported from our this Cloudinary, and make sure that you have imported Cloudinary from here, or you can just set it in your index file or in your global file. Then our Cloudinary we can import from this Cloudinary package. But in this case you need to import. If you need to use this, you can import this from this Cloudinary. So Cloudinary has this uploader method dot upload, and we need to just pass request dot file dot path as okay. You need to pass request dot file dot path only, and we are getting request dot file dot path on our single file what we are passing from our client. So suppose we need this function in multiple places, then we need to handle if user pass request, if file exists or not, or anything else, or everything. Every time we need just to create similar functionality again and again. So that's why we have just created a just normal function for upload single file, and we are just accepting request as a parameter. And if you don't have file, return errors, and if you have file, just upload file, and in our upload folder we are removing this file from our upload folder. So, and we are just returning result, and this is the upload multiple files, and in this case we will get multiple files. So before that we will just check it out. So if we just request dot files, okay, and in our routes we are using routes. Okay, maybe we have make changes. Okay, we don't need this. We are removing everything in here. because we are using route level middleware, we don't need to pass as a global middleware. Okay, we are removing it. And now okay, just where is this checking out? Oh, sorry. So here upload single file. If we go to controller, and now we are uploading file on Cloudinary. Okay, sorry, wait, upload single file, and it is just accept this request, and we are returning the response from what the Cloudinary sent. And now just we will remove this file, and our file will be uploaded in here, but okay, we can minimize it. And our file will be uploaded on Cloudinary. We will get response here. So before that, I need to show you our file is uploaded. Oh, removed, also removed. File uploaded and removed, and we are getting the Cloudinary response from in our as a response in our just preview section, and we're getting everything like file, security, URL, original file name, and everything, and it is customizable. You can just maximize. You can just okay. You can customize, like you can upload and in the second option it is just accept file, and second option it is option, and it has a lot of options that you can just upload file in a specific folder in your Cloudinary or anything else. After that, we will just unlink our file from this uploads folder, and our upload folder is clean, and our uploading successfully on Cloudinary, and we are able to see our file is on Cloudinary. And after that, we are creating a separate controller called upload files. It is connected with router.post. We are using post method, and in this case we are using that files, and you can give this, change it, and give it any name. And in this case we will upload multiple files, and that's why an upload folder from Multer as array, and this upload is imported from this is your Multer configuration file and files, and you can give it a name, but client will be able to pass file by this field name, and your just file length, how much file you can pass from client to server at a time. So now we will just duplicate our request. Upload files, upload. Okay, now upload files, request.body. But in our Insomnia or Postman, we don't have option to upload multiple files. That's why we are just trying to upload the single file. Response unexpected field. We need to change files to files. That's why we are getting unexpected field errors. But make sure that this field name and your client from anywhere you can use this route, like your server is running and you can use it anywhere. And make sure that you have given this exact field name how to use to accept your files. Now it should work. Okay, we're getting result from request.files, but if we test this request.file in this case, maybe we're getting also request.file. Sorry, here no file upload successfully, but request.file, in this case it is null. Request.file, because we are uploading multiple file, and multiple file will has that request.file, not request.file. So this is it, and now we will upload our file. Wait, multiple file uploads, just remove it, don't need to console. And if we go to, this is our, we are just accepting request and request.file. We don't have request.files, and it is not type of request.file.multer, and just it will give you error that please upload at least one file. Or then we are just using this promise.all, and it is very mapping over every time, and you can use like just files.forEach, just it will, or for loop to upload every single file. Just request.file.length, give your for loop for each, and you will iterate over every file, and you will get, you can set files in an array, your local array, and you can just work with it. And after upload file, we are just unlink with our file path from our uploads folder in our directory, and we are just returning it. And in this case we are just using map method, and you know the map method will return a new array, and we are returning this new array with public ID and URL, and it will just return and multiple object based on your file length. So this is it. This is normal and simple. Just create Multer configuration, create Cloudinary configuration like that, and it is simple, but I have tried to make it just use it to as professional use case or professional level or production level. That's why I have made some extra configuration in here, and just you can test it out. This is controller for upload single file. Before that you need to use this upload from your Multer configuration, or you can use without using it. You can use it in your main root file and app.use. Just pass your Multer configuration material in here, like app.use upload.array, upload.single, and you need to give a field name, or you can use upload.any for accepting any field name type of data or files. And for accepting multiple files, we are using this. You need to use upload.array, and you can give it any field name, and this field name must be matched with your passing field name, and you can pass with multiple files from your client. So this is it. This is just normal, and it is very simple way to upload file. And if you check just Cloudinary, so to that, just Cloudinary, you will search on browser just Cloudinary Node.js, go to first URL. Okay, now just you can set Cloudinary URL like that, or you can just you can install Cloudinary library, and you can set configuration like cloud name APK, and you will get everything from your just Cloudinary configuration. The sign up, and you will get everything from the Cloudinary dashboard. It is very easy, and it will appear everything on the Cloudinary dashboard. So this is it, and it is normal, and you there have a lot of configuration. You can make sure that you have created uploads folder manually.